Vincent likes ramen noodles. That one he didn't even barely do. Watch this. Got it in your eye? Did you get it in your eye? Yeah. Here comes another one. Watch out. Did you get that one too? There's still a piece. Get them all over my shirt, please, Dad. Still gotta wear this for Christmas. Oh!
So you like ramen noodles?
Mm-hmm.
Say hi to the camera.
Say hi, everybody. Hi. Yeah, you want to eat any more ramen noodles for everyone, or are you done?
Yeah, I'll still eat some more.
Let's do one more.
Or
maybe one more. Look at you sucking away. That one I didn't even notice. One went straight down your throat, huh? Okay, see you later.